Giant statues. Hey there, ready for another interesting lesson? Today we will talk about famous statues in India and abroad. Ready to start? Okay then, fasten your seatbelts. Here are some facts about some famous statues. See if you can name them. This statue was built around 2008 and is the second tallest statue in the world. Spring Temple Buddha. This famous statue is of a Tamil poet and philosopher, is situated in Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. The combined height of the statue and the pedestal is 133 feet. Thiruvalluvar statue. This statue is made of copper sheets and is 46 meters from the base to the top of the torch. It stands on a huge pedestal. Statue of Liberty. At 182 meters, this statue of an Indian activist and statesman is the tallest statue in the world. It is situated on a river island 100 kilometers away from the city of Vadodara in Gujarat, India. Statue of Unity. It is the most recognized statue associated with ancient Egypt. It is about 20 meters high and 73 meters long and has a huge head of a human on a lion's body. Great Sphinx of Giza. This famous statue of Lord Buddha is 71 meters high and is the biggest carved stone Buddha in the world. Leshan Giant Buddha. This figure of Christ is approximately 38 meters tall. It is the largest Art Deco style sculpture of Jesus Christ. Christ the Redeemer. These temples in southern Egypt are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The complex was relocated as the original site was flooded. Abu Simbel Temples. This 17-meter high statue is carved out of from a single piece of rock. It was built by the Ganga dynasty minister and commander Chamundaraya. It is situated above a hill in Shravan-Belagola, Karnataka. Bahubali. It is one of America's most popular tourist attractions. It has the heads of US Presidents George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln carved on it. The mountain is about 1,745 meters above sea level. Mount Rushmore. So how many did you get right? I do hope you learned something that you did not know already. Try and add to this list by naming one more statue that has not been included in this lesson. I am signing off now. Goodbye.